So today for our language workshop, we are going to go over the poems and illustrations in We Are America. You are going to choose which poem and illustration stands out to you the most from the book and explain why you feel that way or why it stands out to you and what it means to you. So you will type right in on the class slideshow. The class slideshow is located in Google Classroom. It's called the class discussion slideshow. Very clever, I know. It's on Google Classroom, and you're going to go through that slide when you're done with this one and pick the slide that has your favorite poem and illustration and explain why that poem and illustration stands out to you the most. What does it mean to you? Ask yourself that. What does it mean to you in that poem? What do those words mean to you? And why does it stand out to you the most? And why does that illustration stand out to you the most? So in the slideshow, you're going to see the big picture from the textbook. And then on the following slide after that, you'll see a table with a little picture of that page. And for you on that table, you're going to put your full name and your thoughts about that illustration and the poem. So if you need to listen to the book again, I have a slide on this slideshow that if you need to listen to the book again to make note on a post-it or on your iPad of which poem and pictures stands out to you before you move on to the next slideshow. So listen to that book again if you need to choose which one stands out to you. On two slides, on slide 15 and 16 of our instruction slideshow, I have an example of what poem and illustration stood out to me. So I picked the poem, We Are America, the land of the free, wealthy beyond belief and not wealthy, the land of equal opportunity and not equal, the land of justice and injustice. So then I showed a picture of what the table will look like on the next slideshow, and I put my first and last name, Mrs. Miller, and my thoughts was this poem means the most to me because it shows that America has made a lot of growth in our history, but we still have room for improvement. The illustrations on this page really stand out to me because it shows all the unique individuals in our country who are working hard for equality, justice, and freedom. So those are my thoughts, and that's why it stands out to me. So I want you to do the same similar thing on the next slideshow. Just share what your favorite poem is, what your favorite illustration is, and if they're different, write on those different tables on those slides. Whatever means the most to you, whatever stands out to you the most. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm excited to see your thoughts.